Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do Cardi B's mask. So everybody's been raving about this mask, and although it's stuff that I've used before, there's some ingredients that I've never added in this mask, and I'm going to do that today because of her. So you guys stay tuned for that. I'm going to show you guys how I make it and then how I apply it, as well as just the results after washing my hair. Right now my hair is detangled and like brushed out. It's like very frizzy and it looks horrible, but yeah, you guys keep watching so you can see how I make it. Alright guys, so I want to start off by saying I don't have a banana. This mask will work perfectly fine with that one. First we have an avocado, some mayo. She used avocado mayo, but regular mayo works fine as well. Some honey, 2 eggs, argan oil and castor oil. I never use these and I got them from my beauty supply store. Some olive oil, grapeseed oil. This was just something I decided to add. And a good food processor. Alright guys, so I have the good stuff here and I'm about to get ready to apply it on my hair. I have a lot because I do plan on being very generous with the stuff on my hair. Like I'm about to cover up the whole thing. I'm just going to split my hair in half and then get into it. Alright guys, so I just finished applying the mask and this is how it looks so far. I know that it's going to hydrate my hair so well. My curls are going to be popping and I'm excited for that. So what I'm going to do is uh, put the rest in a bun, maybe add a little bit more and then put the rest in a bun because I feel like I haven't really used as much as I thought that I would use. Like, it's not, there's still some left, so I'm gonna finish that, and then after putting it in a bun, I'm going to put a plastic bag over it and let it sit for about an hour to 2 hours. I will show you guys how it turned out, like just like after washing it with shampoo, how it turns out before putting in any product. So yeah, you guys stay tuned for that. So I'm back and I just washed my hair, took me a shower, got ready for bed. It is currently 1:20 in the morning, so I'm talking low because everyone's sleeping. After washing my hair, I noticed a few things. Usually after shampooing my hair is very, very dry, like disgustingly, like it feels weird. So I noticed that it was very smooth and soft and easy to brush through, still hydrated because of all the oils that I had in there. Another thing, I don't know if you guys have watched my last video, but if you did, you guys can see that after washing my hair, taking it out of the towel, my hair is like just completely frizzy and dry and it looks damaged, and although it might look frizzy right now, it's way less frizzy than before, so that's another thing. So I definitely recommend I should try this. It was not a disappointment. um, but yeah, this is how it's looking. Thank you all for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Bye.